we are. We're coming into the School of Vision. I haven't been here in a few years. This is the lovely Tasheia.
Hi, greetings, Matthew. How are you?
I'm amazing. It's so nice to be back.
Welcome again. It's a pleasure to have you here again.
And thanks for taking me on this tour. So we're just going to have a look around the area, and you can show us the community and what to expect when people come up here and see you.
Okay, no problem. All right, so we're actually in one of the main areas, which is the basic school, but temporarily it's a bit closed because we're working on it. So I won't really go in there at the moment, but let us go.
For the primary kids, right?
Well, basic level. So this is the first training that they get before they go out there to primary and high school. So pretty much we actually teach them first about their God, their culture, and who they are before we send them out there.
Okay.
All right, so.
And there are a lot of steps, just so people know. I don't know, how long does it take you to climb up normally?
Well, they normally say it's 20 minutes hike, but I must say that the people that lives here does it in like about 10 minutes.
I was gonna say the same thing, because I timed myself going down and I was about 11 minutes.
Okay.
But coming up, I was closer to 15 and more.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Hey, greetings, Gamba.
Greetings.
Alright, so this is actually like the back of the school, but also it's a fire key area. So this is where we normally light a big fire when we're having a Sabbath or a ceremony. So let us go around here.
Okay. And Sabbath here is every Saturday?
Yeah, every Saturday, and it's all day. So pretty much we normally start like around, like it said, like 10, 11 a.m.
Yeah.
And we go till 6 p.m.
And it's a beautiful sound, all the drumming and chanting.
Of course.
It's like so mystical being here. Even just, I wasn't part of the ceremony, but just being around it and hearing it in the background is
mystical
It's
thing.
very, very cool.
All right, so this is our temple.
Okay.
So this is our holy place of worshiping and praying. So even though we're doing some working on it right now,
yes,
but as you can see, everything is natural, so you can't enter with a slippers.
Yes. I was just gonna say that it's a sand environment there.
But yeah, so you'll see the drums that we use. So pretty much the instruments, the carpets we kneel on. You'll see pictures of our God right around, and trust me, when it's completed, that's when the beauty will come out more, because we're gonna repaint back everything in red, gold, and green.
Okay, I was gonna say it looks pretty nice already. But...
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, so the next spot we're going to is actually the super center. So we're working on a super center pretty much. So it's not completed, it's pretty much like it haven't really reached any much far from as how we would have wanted it. So this is like a kitchen area where we normally cook for visitors, sometimes for the farm as well. So it's actually like a restaurant still, but not completed. Okay.
In the works, I can see the plyboard you got.
So we bought some plies and also something for the ceiling of it. So there's a lot of work to be done, but definitely we're gonna get there soon.
And I saw someone cooking up some ackee patties the other day, which I'd never seen in my life, and it looked so amazing. He was cooking them on the coals over here. Wood fire, and making enough for the whole community, it seemed like. Yeah, man, we have a specialty in yatties. Yatties, so, yes! Yatties is what they're called. Oh, man. Even though it looks like patties, it's not patty. We call it yatti. Okay, I need to shoot that maybe next trip, but because I saw him making it, I got so
you did not get to shoot it.
No, that's okay. I was busy shooting some other stuff. It's okay. Can't do everything.
Alright, this is our treehouse, and also we call this point here the lookout view or the lookout point, because if you look right here, it's one of the best view of Kingston, also the mountain. And we're building a treehouse there and a cabin.
I'll do a rundown there after to show people at the end, because that's I'm going to save the best to the end. That's my favorite spot.
Alright, no problem. I know that's your favorite spot. Alright, we're going to the craft shop now. Alright, so craft shop now is actually where we build most of the items. Some of them we did not make, but majority
made by the community. Very cool.
So majority is made by us here, because we specialize in natural things. So we're going up the steps.
So this has moved since the last time I was here, because I remember it being in a different spot.
Yeah, man. We have been moving and making.
Building up.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, it's way bigger.
Welcome to our craft shop.
Yeah, it's huge. Whoa. Giant.
Alright, so we're getting in some light. Let me pull the other window as well.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, it looks great in here.
Thank you.
So all kinds of tams, necklaces.
Yeah, man.
This is the thing that's really cool to me that you make on site, which is the priestly order bitters.
Yeah.
Yes.
And pretty much it's really good for a lot of people. What a lot of people don't know is that for people that normally suffer from diabetes and cancer,
Yeah.
what they should know is that if they were detoxing, in most cases they wouldn't have cancer or even other diseases. Detox is a must.
Okay.
And it's recommended to be done 2 times every month, 2 weeks at least in every month.
All right. So we got the wine, different tonic.
Yeah, man, we do ganja wine,
Yeah.
roots wine. We're also doing some natural honey right now. We're also doing the black castor oil,
Yes.
which is really excellent for hair. One of the
Okay.
best for hair types, all hair types too, of course. We do waist chains, so we have some waist beads right here. We have necklaces. We have some earrings. Also, you know that we specialize in carving as well.
Yeah.
So we're always carving. So we have this masterpiece, which is actually a carving of His Imperial Majesty. So if you look at it, you see that it's the king. And if you turn it around, you realize it's the lion.
Nice. That's awesome.
Yeah, man. So we specialize in carving from lignum vitae. And also, the last time you came, you remember the lion pen, the lion pipe?
I do.
So we still do have it.
Cool.
Yeah. And we still have a few pieces as well. And we do the crusher bags, of course, in different sizes and types.
Yeah.
And we have the medicinal marijuana oil. So we still do this, which is very good for health, cancer, and many more stuff. And there's, of course, shea butter, coconut oil, scrubs, neem toothpaste, and so much more.
And castor oil, which is made from, there's the castor plants right outside here.
Yeah, man, he's right out
Yeah,
there.
we can
So
go
if you
in.
look on the outside there, you see that there's trees right here.
Very cool. Well, I might have to get some bitters before I go.
You should. You definitely should.
Yeah, it's looking great.
And we do also some older pieces as well from the crochet.
Aha.
So top and bottom, we don't wear it. So that's a common question. But no, we don't wear it.
You know, I was walking by here the other day and just looked up
Yeah.
through the window and I saw this figure here. I went, "Oh, is someone changing in there?"
No,
I'm like, "Oh no, it's just a mannequin."
it's a mannequin.
For a second, I thought, "Oh, jeez."
Getting ready to hide your face or turn your head.
Yeah. I thought I was just like creeping on someone by mistake.
No, man. It's just a mannequin.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir, Sally.
All right. Well, I'll show that tree real quick because that's the castor tree here,
Yeah,
right?
so that's the castor 3 right there. Castor oil.
Right here, this funky tree with these
Alright,
cool.
so what's happening is that normally when they're green, it means that they're not ready to be picked. But when the moment you see it looks brown and look like it's being dried, that's the time that it's ready to actually go into the process of actually making the oil. So yeah.
Got it. All right, and there's a little shop now
Like a
as well.
community shop?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, there is. So it's just right up by the walk. Oh, but is it closed? That's the thing. I think it might be.
Oh, it might be closed, but there is a place if people need to get. It's just provisions
man.
like juice or crackers,
Snacks,
eggs, that kind of thing.
raw things like rice, flour, cornmeal, etc.
Okay, so you can eat meals here, which I highly,
Of course.
highly recommend. But there's also a shop if you
There's
want to do your
also
own
a shop
thing.
if you want to do your
Yeah.
own thing.
And the thing I love here too is the water is so nice and clean.
All spring water.
It's all
Nothing
spring
but the
water,
best.
so you shower in super nice clean water. You drink pure clean water, and it all comes
Yes,
from
you
the
do.
taps. Because some people travel in Jamaica and they're carrying around buying all this water. You don't
Yeah.
have to do that here.
You don't have to do it
Yeah.
here. Everything is pure here. Natural and pure, just like the atmosphere.
Yeah, it tastes so
Yeah.
so sweet and nice. Even showering in the cold water this morning, it's just wow, so
A
good.
refresh, right?
Yeah. Anything else you wanted to show me, or I can
will.
show off the rooms and?
Well, you could actually give them a look of the treehouse and the cabin that we're building. Because
Yes,
we want
yes.
to actually complete that.
Because that's going to be brand new. So.
Yeah, it's a masterpiece right now.
Yeah.
We want to bring it where we want to get it to the perfection that pretty much people would really love it.
All right. Well, I'll do that one right at the end, and maybe I can show people the community kitchen back there too for people, because it's been really nice making my coffees, and then I have it on the treehouse. Well, you know me, I've been sitting in the treehouse all day like I'm a bird.
Yeah,
I've been there. I'm there like 12 hours a day.
Yeah.
Other than, I don't know, certain activities that you can't do in a treehouse. But
Well, yeah.
All right. Well, thanks, Tasheia. Appreciate it.
You're most welcome, Matthew, as always.
And I'll put all the links for you below so everyone can contact.
And also the Instagram page.
Yes.
So, yeah.
So that's the best way to get in contact. Or Airbnb you can book as well.
Yeah. But the Instagram page and Airbnb, yeah, that would be good. And the phone number.
Awesome. All right. Thank you so much. Enjoy your trip to Kingston.
Welcome. Thank
Bless
you.
up. We'll see you real soon. I'll be back.
Enjoy, Matthew.
Okay. Take care. All right. We're going to go check the common area right here. So there's a bunch of different rooms, including this one here, and it's such a chill environment, just flowers and misty mountains and chill spots. That might be the greatest use of a television ever. You got a chill area right over here. Hang out, watch the mist roll in. Oh, there's Rita. We'll just say hi, Rita. Hi, Rita. Oh, she's on the phone. Okay. Rita's on the phone. There's some really cool guests here. And so this is the bathroom now. It's on solar, so you can't see very much during the day, but you got a spring water shower there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rooms? 6 rooms. This is my room. Again, I wish I could turn on the lights for you, but it's got a really comfortable double bed, maybe bigger. The electricity is on at a different time. So during the day, it's actually off because it's on solar. But if you want to use power, charge your devices, etc., it's all on from 6 until usually about 11. So you have no problem charging all your stuff. Even as a camera guy, I could still charge everything I needed to do. So yeah, chill room again. You have access to gas stoves, and you can do a little cooking and cleaning, whatever you want to do. And it's just been a blast. Every time I've come here, I've also met really cool local travelers. So Rita there, and quiet, she's on the phone. Okay. Anyway, that's the guest house area. Let's go check out the treehouse, the best spots. So, like I said, every time I've come here, I've met really cool people. So Rita, visiting, currently based in the UK, originally from Guinea-Bissau. And there's another gentleman, a music producer from Sweden, who I'll link him below, because we did a little interview with him, with Victor, aka High Vibes. Let's go check that treehouse, because that is the dopest spot. So definitely make sure you have some sort of fitness, because like we talked about, unless you're accustomed to doing 15 minutes, 20 minutes of leg burner, intense stairs of a large height, this stair is knee high, it's going to take you a minute to get up here. But that's part of the beauty. It really just keeps people coming. The only people that want to put in the effort to come here, those are the ones that make it up here. So you can probably tell already why the treehouse is the dopest spot. Let's climb up here. And there's all kinds of lizards that come and hang out. Big flat platform area. Wow. Here we go. Yeah. I mean, it's insane. Look how many pear are bearing right now. So many of them. 2 big pear trees. And I believe they're still fixing this place up. It's a bit of a work in progress. So this area here. Oh, you can see I was having my breakfast. And I sit here, come here in the morning, stretch, do yoga, meditate, eat my breakfast, have a coffee, chill out, have a nap, read a book, like listen to a podcast, shoot some time lapses, watch the birds. It's crazy. The thing about being right here too is that you can see the landscape right now. It's actually incredible, but it completely changes over the day, and it seems to change like that every single day. So, you know, it's usually sunny in the morning, clouds kind of rolling in the afternoon, you might get a bit of mist and a bit of rain, and then it'll clear up again, and you get these insane sunsets coming from the west side that light up all of these clouds and these mountains. So it's mystical. It really is mystical for a reason. So I hope you can come up here and check it out. Give Tasheia a link, and if you're like me, you'll want to be up on the top platform there, or the back chill area, or on the treehouse here with me, just vibing out, because it's really is a magical place. So hope you enjoyed this little tour, and massive respect to everyone at School of Vision, and especially Tasheia. She's such a kind host. A lot of cool people in the community here that will make you feel very welcome, and I hope you can come and visit. So thank you very much for watching this little tour, and bless up. Get over here.